Kayla, why did you drop your math book?
Because I don't understand how to multiply matrices.
It's actually quite simple. You just need to, focus.
It's not as easy as you think.
Well, if you need help, I can teach you.
Really?
Yeah.
You do that for me?
Yeah, because I am a genius.
Oh, right. Not Mr. Smith genius, though.
Never. Mr. Smith is above my level.
He's like at tier 200 and you're at tier 2.
Yep, exactly. I'll get an example from the book, like this one. This is our example, a 2 by 2. So it's a bit harder, but if you remember that we do row times column, it'll make your life so much simpler. So,
Row 1, column.
and it's also will make your life simpler if you label your parts. If you label row 1, row 2, column 1, and column 2. So our first step, this is pretty simple. It's just like 1 by 1, but you're just like doing it more and more. It's kind of repetitive. So first we do row 1. Let me get a better marker. First you do row 1 times column 1. So it's 5 times -3, which equals what, Kayla?
It equals -15.
-15.
I can multiply.
Good girl. 0 times 6 equals 0. Then you add that together, which gives us -15.
So the 5 came from here and the 3 came from here.
-3.
So that's like the row 1, column 1 times row 1, column 1.
Yeah.
And then row 1, the second one, and this one. Oh,
yes,
yay.
yes. And okay, and when we're plugging in our answers, since this is 2 by 2, our answer will be 2 by 2. 2 by 2. And since -15 is the product of row 1 and column 1, it will go in row 1, column 1 on our answer matrix.
Amazing. It's almost like magic.
Then our second step is that we go row 2 time. Wait, no, it's row 1, right?
Row 1.
Damn it.
It's okay. Okay, give yourself a second. Readjust. Memorize.
Okay.
Your teeth are beautiful.
You're going to edit
Ready?
that out, right?
Set. Yeah, I am.
So our second step is that we multiply row 1 by column 2, because remember, row times column. So it'll be 5 times 2, because remember, row 1 times column 2. And now it will give us 10. Then 0 times 2 is obviously 0. You add those, it's 10. Then we go here to our answer, because 10 is the product of row 1 and column 2. It'll go in row 1, column 2, 10.
Amazing. So then it's basically like the same step, except now we're going to do row 2.
Yes. Now, once again, continuing on with third step, we will be doing row 2, and then back to column 1. Sorry. So we're gonna row 2, column 1. So that means -4 times -3 will equal 12. 1 times 6 equals 6. You add those, and then we get 18. And the 18 is the product of row 2, column 1. Therefore, in our answer, we'll put it in row 2, column 1. 18. Now, here's our last step. Our very, very last step. We'll be doing row 2 by column 2. So -4 times 2 equals -8. 1 times 2 equals 2. You add those together and we get -6. And we'll put -6 in our last spot. Row 2, column 2. And this is our answer.
That's the entire problem.
That's how we do 2 by 2 matrix.
All right. The next hardest one. A 3 by 3. First,
It's simple.
it's
If you know how to do
simple.
if you know how to do the 2 by 2 and the 3 by 2,
Yeah,
it's
basically.
simple.
So we look at the middle numbers first. See that they're both the same.
They're
We're
the same.
good. Look at the outside numbers, and that's where we have our 3 by 3. Now, time to do this.
Oh, we should. Wait. Continue.
All right, I can do this. So first, we're gonna look at row 1, column 1, like we've been doing. 6 times 1 is 6. Plus 7 times 9 is 63.
Yeah.
I need your help. I can't do this. Okay. 6 plus 7 times 9 is 63, and 1 times 10 is 10. This all adds up to 73, 79. Put that down here. Next one is row 1, column 2. 6 times 11 is 66. 7 times 2 is 14.
I think they get the idea now.
1 times 4, let me just do this one. 1 times 4 is 4. Double checking myself just to make sure. Yep, we're good. 66 plus 4 is 70. 70 plus 14 is 84. Row 1, column 2. Now we're going to do row 1, column 3. 6 times 6 is 36. 7 times 7 is 49. And 1 times 9 is 9. 49 plus 9 is 58. Just for 1. Just to be sure. 94.
And I think at this point they get the idea that
The
same steps.
It's the same steps over and over again.
Just don't get confused with the rows and columns.
And don't rush yourself.
Yes.
Take time, because as you've seen in this video, sometimes you can mess up, like I did a few moments ago. And it's really simple, really easy.
Just take your time. Don't get confused.
Take your time. Don't confuse, and make sure. And sometimes it helps to label and draw the little lines. But just keep practicing, and you'll soon get the hang of it.
And then for our very last notes,
well, I'll let you do this right here. Finish it out.
Yeah.
Cue the Jeopardy music.
Okay, so
Steady as she goes.
So we're pretty much done teaching you everything we know. We just have some last additional notes. We have just some last additional notes. So you saw this earlier where the matrices are not similar. And
Are similar.
Are not similar or are similar.
Yeah.
And in order to see if it works, you have to look at the middle numbers. And these are totally the same, so they will work. But in our previous problem, the outside numbers were the same. They were both 3 and 3. However, this is 2 and this is 3. That means the answer will be a 2 by 3. 2 times 3. And that's totally solvable. You just need to follow the steps and it'll be right. And just like here, this is also solvable because the middle numbers are also the same. So your answer will be a 1 by 2. So it'll be 1. So it'll be one row with 2 columns. And you just have to follow the steps, and if you don't get confused and if you take your time, you'll totally get the right answer. And yeah.
You'll be good.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching.